गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन मंगळारा दीस गोंय राज्याच्या सचिवाक निवेदन दिलां. निवेदनान वास्को लॉकडावन करपाची मागणी केल्या. शुक्रार मेरेन गोंय सरकारान वास्को लॉकडावन केलें ना जाल्यार गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस रस्त्यार देंवतली. गोंय सरकारान कोवीड दुयेंता संदर्भात घेतिल्लो निर्णय गोंयकारांच्या विरोधान आशिल्ल्यान शेनवारच्यान गोंय सरकारा विरोधान काँग्रेस आंदोलन करतली, अशी माहिती गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीचो आग्नेल फेर्नांडीसान काँग्रेस हावजान पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या.
Vasco 100% is required. See, you have to contain that disease. You have to contain that disease. Only if you contain that area, lockdown kelo no, then not, because if people are allowed to move about, it's now they already found out in other areas. दुसऱ्या वाड्यांनी जावंक लागले. If that goes on like that, आणि आमी पळय म्हणटा जे आमची इम्युनिटी बरी आहा गोंयकारांची इम्युनिटी, how are people getting sick? How are they getting infected? Immunity सारकी आहा जाल्यार, गोट आहा जाल्यार. आणि आमचे कडेन टेस्टिंग किट आहा म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंट, टेस्टिंग कित्याक जायना? So at least if we can contain in that area, treat them, so no disease comes from outside that, then maybe at least we can manage what we were at that original level of the green zone. We cannot call ourselves green zone. This is, you do testing, then you will realize how many cases we have got. We are not doing testing. We are hoping that people get sick, get cured by themselves. Immunity. We are lucky. Only God is helping us, and another God we have here is Dr. Edwin. I don't know how he is managing it, but I think because of him. And many of the cases, because see, this test is not always 100% efficient. This testing kits, not only in Goa, not only in India, all over the world, this test, some of the antibodies don't show. So many of the people who have died, which is people claim that it is pneumonia, heart attack. I am telling you, these are COVID cases. Many of these, because even though the tests have come negative, the symptoms are totally of COVID. So you cannot rule out deaths due to COVID in this. Okay, we had given a letter yesterday to the government. The government doesn't seem to care, doesn't want to answer us this. So on Saturday, we are
Friday. We wait till Friday.
Friday?
Friday में wait करते हैं.
Yeah, we wait till Friday. If Vasco is not locked down, our agitation is going to start on Saturday.
तुमचे एज्युकेशन करताना कितले जाण आसा? तुम्ही चौकता 5 जाण आहा, तेच उरलेले आनी कोण तुमचे दिसतीत पडना.
आता पळय मरे, हें एजिटेशन पळय.
हय, आता 4 म्हयन्यांनी येता.